Sa likod ng panalo ng San Miguel, itinuro ni Marcio Lassiter ang disiplina at tiwala sa sistema bilang susi sa pagkuha ng back-to-back championships. Ang ibang detalye alamin sa aking pag-abante. Para sa veteranong sniper na si Marcio Lassiter, hindi lang talento ang nagdala sa kanila sa kampyonato, kundi ang pananatiling kalmado sa gitna ng matitinding sandali ng laro. Ayon kay Lassiter, todo bigay ang TNT tropang 5G sa buong serye at talagang itinulak ang San Miguel sa kanilang limitasyon. Gayunman nanindigan ani ang Beermen sa kanilang pagkakakilanlan at hindi natinag ng umiinit ang laban.
First of all, I want to say Tongtex was great. They played great all series. So give props to Coach Trot Reyes and the management and the players especially. But yeah, for us, we just came out and played the San Miguel Beerman way. We know what their defensive schemes were, and we wanted to attack them. And tonight we got out early, strong start. They kind of came back, but at the end of the day, we were still resilient and made sure that we made plays at the end in the fourth, which mattered the most.
Ibinahagi niyang ang matigas na depensa, tamang desisyon sa opensiba at maayos na execution sa endgame ang naging pundasyon ng kanilang kampanya. Sa halip na mataranta, kapag nababawasan ang lamang, mas lalo raw silang nagiging disiplinado at nagtitiwala sa sistema ng koponan. Sa pagtingin naman sa darating na import conference, kumpiyansa si Lassiter na makakakuha ang koponan ng reinforcement na babagay sa sistema at kultura ng San Miguel sa halip na baguhin ang estilo para lamang umangkop sa isang manlalaro.
I think the head coach will know the most about that. There's so many ways we can go. So hopefully we can, get a really talented import who can really help us, and as long as we can kind of put them in our system, we'll just see what happens.
Nagbigay pugay rin siya kay Dakraken Junmar Fajardo na patuloy umanong nagbibigay inspirasyon hindi lang sa koponan kundi sa buong Philippine basketball dahil sa kanyang mga nagawa at pamumuno.
Man, Junmar is just, if you want to call him a go or not, but he's something that we all know what he can do and he's capable of. He's inspired so many millions of fans watching, so I'm just so proud of him, honored to be his teammate, and just there to help him out. And he's put a lot of hard work in year throughout the whole year. From our team to the national team. So I think all the hard work has been paying off for him. And I'm just so happy for him and truly thankful for him.
Para kay Lassiter, ang kampyonato ay hindi lang bunga ng isang magandang laro. Ito ay resulta ng ugaling manatiling matatag, lalo na kapag nasa pinakamabigat na sandali na ang laban. Ako si Sus Valdez, Abante Sports, nauna.